mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 2, 2024, unang linggo sa buwan ng Hunyo. At ngayong araw na ito, araw ng linggo, gaganapin ang 17th Manila Horsepower Anniversary Racing Festival, No Bearing Races. At umabot ng 12 races ang naka-line up ngayong araw ng linggo. At sa 12 races ay 5 ang stake race. At yung natitirang 7, lahat ay mga trophy race. At ang kapanapanabik ngayong araw ng linggo ay merong 2, hindi lang isa, 2 na stake race na grupo 5, rating base group 5, yung race 4, placer, mga in the money o mga may placing na primera, segunda, tercero. At yun namang isa pa, race 7, ginawang sprint race ay group 5 non-placer. Bago natin umpisahan ang ating mga cool tips, sana po ay swertihin tayo, swertihin kayo. Race number 1, isang trophy race, umpisa ng winner take all, covering races 1 to 7. First choice number 12, Made for Tropay. Second choice number 1, Bukawe River Town. Third choice number 2, Jubilum. Race 2, ang unang stake race, Viracom Manila Horsepower Stake race. First choice number 7, Jaguar. Second choice number 2, Secretary. Race 3, isang Club Don Juan de Manila Trophy race. First choice number 9, Phil Davern. Second choice number 3, Matikas. Race 4, ito yung rating base grupo 5, isang milya ang distansya, 1,600 meter. Ang ating pong napiling first choice number 12, Shepcat. Second choice number 4, Malibo Bell. Third choice coupled entry 6, You Never Know. 6A, Celebrity. Race 5, Manila Horsepower Imported Dream Stake Race. May distansyang 1,800 meter. First choice, number 5, Prime Factor. Second choice, number 1, Perfect Delight. Race 6, isang trophy race uli. First choice, number 10, Full Combat Order. Second choice, number 12, Agidaw. Race 7, ito na yung isa pang Grupo 5 na stake race. MMTCI Sprint Stake Race 1,000 meter distance. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Keep the Jade. Second choice, number 6, Safe in the West. Third choice, number 4, Crown in My Head. Race 8, another trophy race. First choice, number 4, Cluster. Second choice, number 2, Doña Leoncia. Third choice, number 1, Grand Majesty. Race 9, isa pang trophy race uli. Number 6 ang ating first choice, Magandang Dilag. Second choice, number 1, Save My Savings. Race 10, isang Manila Horsepower Andok Endokito Burger Steak Race. First choice, number 5, Sky Story. Second choice, number 9, Front Runner. Third choice, number 11, Graceful Gift. Race 11, Manila Horsepower Silver Bullet Trophy Race. First choice, coupled entry, number 5, Open Billing 5A Prime Billing. Second choice, number 9, Readers. Race 12, last race, Paratingan. May Super 6 ang race na ito. First choice, number 1, Player Andre. Second choice, number 3, I Under Oath. Third choice, number 12, Autumn Shower. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you.